Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on a Glowworm 188HXI. So in this video what we're going to be looking at is some boiler repair training with my student Karaman. And on this boiler we've got a possible PCB fault because it was working for about a minute, fired up and then just suddenly went off. The display's gone off, the power is on because the boiler was working a minute ago, and right in front of our eyes the boiler went off. So we're going to go inside the boiler, investigate what the problem is. As you can see, we turn the boiler off, and then to get access into this boiler there's two screws on the bottom. So there's one there and one on the other side here. Just remove them screws and then all this front cover will lift off. So Karaman, you should undo the screws. So as I said, we're doing some boiler repair training. Now Karaman's doing his gas portfolio. So as part of his gas portfolio, he's going to do training with myself, which will then help him improve when he passes his ACS. He'll then be able to do boiler repair work a lot quicker than guys who just do the ACS and then start out from scratch and have to learn from there. So what I'm doing, I'm offering a placement for students who want to do this type of training. So if you click on this link below, you can find out more about this unique skill and unique opportunity what I'm offering for gas portfolio students who are nearing their ACS accreditation. What we're going to do, we're going to check to see if power's coming to the boiler, just to make sure that's all good. So underneath this boiler, this is where the power supply comes in. So we're going to have to remove this little panel here. So there's two screws, one inside and one on the other there. Drop it down and then get our multimeter and check to see if we're getting 230 volts coming in.
Yeah.
As you can see, we've removed the panel, and this is basically the wires coming into the boiler. So what we're bothered about is, well, you can see this cable here, there, where my finger is, and we'll look at the live, the brown. So we're going to check across that one and the blue, the neutral, to see if we're getting power coming to the boiler from this first switch. This is our multimeter, so we're just going to set that up. So we're going to put it on voltage, and we want on AC. You can see at the moment it's on DC. Press that. So it's on AC. So I'm now ready to use our multimeter. We're turning on the power. You can see it's still blank. Alright, Karaman, what we're going to do now, we're going to get our multimeter, and what we're going to do, we're going to, can you see the brown wire? I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll show you, and I'll do this first. So I'm going to put one, put that one there, like that, and one there. Now, look at the multimeter, and you can see the power is there. Yeah, you can see that. So we've got the power. That means it's definitely a board fault, because as I said, it went off before. You can see where I've got, there's power on the, look at the multimeter again. That's it. So we're all good. What we're going to do now, we're going to open this, or lower this down. We're going to get inside by removing these screws here. So you do that, Karaman, just undo the 3 screws. Now this just lifts up like this and comes off. So you can just put it to one side. So this is a PCB. Now what we're going to do, you could say, oh, suppose the fuse is gone. So we're going to check that fuse there for continuity. So we can get the multimeter again, and we're going to put that on continuity, so that's going to buzz. So here's our multimeter. What we're going to do, we're going to turn it to this position here. So just touch them together now. That's it, so we know that's on continuity. I'm just using my voltage stick, make sure there's no power in, so it comes here. So that's off, that's good. So what you're going to do now is put your two ends across there, both ends of the fuse. That's it, good. So that means the fuse is okay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to change the PCB. Now, for you people watching this video on YouTube, for you to see this is only for guys who do my training. So if you want to see the full video of this episode, you have to basically click on the link below, and you can look in our board repair library and see the continuation of this video. As I said, if you want this type of training, click on the link below and you can join what Cameron's doing, because I said it's specifically for gas portfolio people, and I'm offering this training free. So if you want to be part of this, click on the link below, as I said. For anyone else, as I said, you can look in the board repair library to see the rest of this video. So that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.